There are two main elements you need to know to work with organizations. The organization's register is the list of all the companies, groups, associations, government agencies, and other entities that have been created in the system. Organization records are the items displayed in the register. Each record contains important information about a stakeholder, such as contact information, members, related organizations, and much more. To open the organization's register, click on the icon for the Stakeholder Engagement module in the main menu. In the Stakeholders section, click on Organizations. To search for an existing organization, you can scroll through the list, use the search button, or use quick filters. For example, you can click on a quick filter to find the organizations that you created in the system, or those that have been assigned to you. To get access to more filters, activate the Detailed view. New columns will appear, which will let you filter organizations by category, location, the nature of your relationship, and more. To remove a filter, click on the X and then click Apply. To quickly see the organizations that are located in a certain region, choose the Map view. Note that from this list, whether it's filtered or not, you can select organizations and perform several different types of actions. You can link them to an engagement plan or smart communication, or batch update a group of records. When you look at the stakeholder record for an organization, let's take a FORDA for example, you'll notice that the most important information that has been entered is displayed in the first screen. The more information you add to a record, the more useful and complete this section will be. At the top, you'll see the organization's location, address, website, and social networks. You'll be able to quickly identify your primary contact at the organization, in this case Preston Spicer, and other top contacts. You can even view a list of all the members of the organization. You can see information about categorization and the nature of the relationship you have with this company. And finally, you can quickly access the latest communications with members of the organization. The menu in the organization record allows you to add information as you get to know the organization and develop relationships with the members of their team. For example, you can quickly check to see if a FORDA is linked to any other organizations. We can see that it is a subsidiary of ABC Corp. Under Engagements, you can see a summary of all communications between your company and a FORDA at a glance, and access them if necessary. You'll be able to view any documents and tasks related to the stakeholder. And if the Grievance and Issues Management module is enabled in your instance, you'll be able to view any issues or complaints that the organization has raised, along with any commitments made to them. Please note that the fields in the organization creation form are slightly different for every organization. This depends on which modules and add-ons you use and how your organization chose to configure Borealis. Don't be concerned if some of the fields you see in this video don't appear in your instance. To make it easier to add new organizations in your stakeholder register, Borealis allows you to create new organization records in a few different ways. From your home screen in Borealis, you can click the green plus icon and choose Organization. From the organization's register, you can click the green Create button. Anytime you see the organization field in a creation form, you can create a new organization by clicking the plus button. And finally, you can create an organization record from a map. Simply select any entity detected by Google, then click the green button and select Organization. Let's say that your organization needs to list all fire departments that service the territory along a railroad track. We'll create a record for the City of Eastman Fire Department. If you add the organization from the map, the name, address, phone number, and any other contact information that's available in Google will automatically be added to the record. Select the person at your company who will manage the relationship if one is assigned. Next, you can assign categorization to group the new organization according to your needs. In this case, it's a local fire department. Finally, we'll enter an email address we can use to contact the organization. You can enter as many contact methods as you like. You can even add the organization's Facebook page or Twitter account. To be sure that all emails exchanged with the Eastman Fire Department are linked to the organization, we suggest that you add a new contact type for the domain. This way, any emails between your company and a person whose email address includes the domain you specified will automatically be linked to the relevant organization record. The level of detail you need to include when creating an organization depends on your company's configuration and processes. Feel free to contact your super user for more information. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Save. And there's the record we created for Eastman Fire Department. It's a good practice to add the organization's logo when you create their record, so it's easy to recognize in the system. Great job! Now you know how to create an organization in Borealis and how to navigate the organization register. Practice makes perfect, so be sure to try out these exercises. Open the map and choose a business you want to add as an organization in Borealis. View your new record in the organization's register using the Created by Me quick filter. Edit the record to add a second method of communication. If you have any questions, don't forget that you can visit our Help Center, where you'll find more introductory videos like this one, or write to the Technical Support Department if you encounter any problems.